Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can export Labview data to Excel file. So, exporting data to Microsoft Excel is handled through interactive shortcuts, programmatic file writing, or specialized toolkits for professional formatting. So, I showed you in the previous video how you can export data to Excel file from the graph. But right now we will be more focused to save data automatically as part of your code without requiring the report generating toolkit. So we will use right delimiter spreadsheet. So where you found that. So right click on it and then go to the file IO palette, and right here we will find right delimited spreadsheet .v, so like that, and use that one. All right, so how it works: wire 2D or 1D arrays. So let's go to the arrays and we will add. So now we need to create some number or strings to the data. So let's go and create that. I will put in random number, then go to the array and sort the array, this one, and I will connect right here. Okay, so it's not that one, so insert build array and then connect one the data. And now if I run that, so set delimiter to a tab to create a file Excel can open natively, or a comma for a CSV file. So okay, so we will set here delimiter like that, create constant. So if we do it like that, just a moment, and T, this is create a file Excel can open natively, or we can add comma for a CSV file. So let's go and do this one and specify a file path ending in .xlsx or CSV file. Then we will just run this like that. It will open up here the window where it will set that we need where we want to save those information, so we can do that. And let's say we want to save it so right now we will also create here some indicator, so new file path, right, like so, and we now can run the code like that. I will use here the document, click OK, and now we can check in the files, document, new document, and as you can see we have now number right over here in from the exported code from this. So this is how you can export Labview data to Excel file. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next